Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we set default text size in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to set guys your default text size, and guys you want to default your text size. So how can you default your text size? In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all, when subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So when first of all, open your phone setting to set your default text size, then guys scroll it after on phone setting. Guys, you can see this type of setting. Guys, click on your brightness setting and guys scroll, and guys you can see your font size. So as you can see your text size setting here. So as you want to set guys your default size, and guys you want to set guys your large size. So as you can set your large and default size, small size. Guys, we have three size. So we want to default, so we will click on default, and guys you can see your default preview. So you can see your default text size. So I hope friends you have understood how to default text size in a Tecno phone. So as you can see, where text size will change into default. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.